Hi everyone, I'm going to show you a little demonstration of my upcoming playbook application called Screamager. This application is originally developed for the BlackBerry PlayBook. It's actually based on an application I wrote 2 years ago for HP WebOS. But right now we're focusing on Playbook, and when it's finished I'm going to port it back to WebOS and hopefully also iOS and Android so everybody can enjoy this application. Anyway, what is Screamager? Screamager is started out anyway as a retro looking dot matrix message scroller. Now what does that mean? Let's take a look. It means we can show scrolling messages. Very cool. You can show this to people that are a little bit further away from you or when you can't talk. They'll be able to read the message. You can do pranks with it, whatever you want really. So what you can also do is use a few special kind of characters like a little skull or a little heart or a broken heart. It's pretty cool too. You can spice stuff up a little bit like that. So you can say, for example, I heart pizza. Very cool. Now, another interesting feature of Screamager is the fact that you can mirror the display. Now you may wonder, why the hell would I use that? Well, I'll give you a small example. Let's say you're in the car and there's a guy in front of you who's driving annoyingly slow and you would like for him to move out of the way. Now you can honk at him or something. He may not get it. But you can also use Screamager. Now if we have the mirror display checkbox on and we tell him to get out of the way, Screamager will show this message mirrored. Now what's interesting about this, you can't really read that very well like this, but if you show this to the driver in front of you, you'll see it as if it's normal in his rear view mirror. So that's pretty cool. May result in some road rage, but it's all in the game. It's up to you. So that's Screamager what it used to be. There's a lot of extra stuff built in right now. I'm going to show you some of that stuff. First of all, we have animations. Text only, you can only do so much with it, so what the hell, we wanted to show some animations. For example, there's a little animation of our 8-bit friend Mario. Show you another one. These are a bunch of built-in animations that I made. Here's a little pink ghost from Pacman saying boo. And let's show one more just to end this way. There's a little smiley saying hi. Pretty cool. Now of course you'll get bored with these animations after a while, so we have the option to display animations that are hosted somewhere else. These are going to be animations that you or other people have made themselves, so I can't wait to see what you guys are going to come up with. As you see here, there's a URL to a bunch of tools that allow you to upload an animated GIF that you created in Photoshop, and it'll get converted into an animation that will play in Screamager. Very cool. Now let's see what else we got. In our settings we can change the text color for when we show text. We can change the speeds. We can set the animation speed for when we're playing animation. And we can enable or disable the kind of flickering effect that you saw. It may be a little bit slow sometimes on slower devices, but if the device can handle it, it looks pretty cool. So let's see what else we got. We got a shiny new icon for Screamager, the one that it deserves. Now the final feature I'm going to show you is one that's still under development, but it's getting there. Like I said before, you can create your own animations. You can do it right now in Photoshop. You can upload them in the tool and you'll get a file. It'll play when you enter a URL here. Now, for some people that may be kind of a far stretch, so I figured we gotta be able to create our own animations inside the application. So this is a work in progress, so to say, but it's an animation editor where you can edit your animation frame by frame. For example, here, see, you can draw in this color, add some green stuff around it, see, very cool. So you can edit each frame pixel by pixel. You can color whatever you want, as you can see, with your fingers. And so you can edit it frame by frame and then save the animation, and then when you're done you can go here and it'll show up right here for you to play. Pretty cool, I think. As said, it's still work in progress, not done yet, but we're getting there. By the time it'll get released, it'll be done and you'll be able to create your own animations both inside the application or in Photoshop, either way you want. I can't wait to see what you guys are going to come up with. I'm sure it's going to be some pretty good stuff that people are going to create. We'll see what happens. Thanks for watching. This is Screamager, and look for it in the BlackBerry App World App Store. And a little bit later in the future you'll see it on the HP touchpad and hopefully also on iOS and Android. Thanks for watching. Bye.